Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix Realme 16 is not working. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart device, just click and hold side power button. After just click and hold side power button and swipe up. After swipe up and you will see enter your phone pin and you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so check your charger. After check your charger and you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, click on settings app, scroll down to and click on system and update and click on software update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so last solution is reset all settings. Click on settings app. Now in settings, scroll down and click on system and update. Click on backup and reset phone and reset all settings. Enter phone pin and click on reset. Go back to home screen, you will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix Realme 16 is not working. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.